Welcome back to the show. I had jury duty yesterday. That was fun. Sitting in a courthouse for 8 hours with a bunch of other people, judging somebody else's life based on evidence. I mean, the evidence was clear in this case, which was nice. The person did what they did. It was pretty clear, and it still kind of sucks though, especially if I have to see that person later on in life. At some point I ran into them and they're like, "Hey man, what the fuck?" Like, I don't know, you did what you did. We deliberated for only like 5 minutes. It was a 5-minute deliberation. It wasn't like, there was not much to really deliberate. Anyways. Welcome back. My advice for today, for you, is to just not worry about it. Why are you so worried about it? Don't worry about it, dude. Welcome back. Man, the sun feels so good. Way better than a courtroom. There was one weird moment in the jury little deliberation room. We were all sitting there talking before we had to go into court. And a guy brought up that the case sounded similar to a young kid that had passed away 20 years ago. And I was like, huh, that's strange. And he started talking about it more. And then it was the moment when he said, yeah, the kid lunged at the cop with a bayonet, that my world just went. I was like, that was Matt Jones. Like, that was like, it just came out of my mouth. I couldn't. And it was Matt Jones. And I sat next to him in junior high. And it was weird. One day he was there in class, and the next day he wasn't. And I hate to bring a little downer moment into the nature show, but it happens. So you just gotta live life to the fullest, and don't let anybody tell you what to do with your life. And try to stay out of trouble so you don't have to have 12 people judge you for a dumb thing that you did. Anyways. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a great view. It's beautiful. It's cold. And yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully you don't get called for jury duty. Maybe someday you will. But maybe you can't be impartial. That's a thing. The fucking nature show!